Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Android device and the exact apps you'll need. Install a reputable live wallpaper app from the Play Store and open the Google app. Once done, go to Google App Settings, right arrow Wallpaper, and grant permission to access home screen changes and media/files if prompted. Make sure your phone is updated to the latest Android version. Older builds often block live wallpapers for Google's background. You're now ready to pick a live file and connect the Wallpaper app to Google's background picker. You now create the live background asset. In the Wallpaper app, choose a live scene or import a short video and trim to the app's recommended length. This ensures smooth looping and low battery impact. Once configured, apply or export the wallpaper so the system recognizes it as an active live wallpaper. Then reopen the Google app, tap Wallpaper, and select the option that shows Installed Live Wallpapers or My Wallpapers. Make sure the live option is highlighted so Google can use that active wallpaper as its background. You finish by applying the live wallpaper inside the Google app and confirming it appears animated where Google displays a background. Tap Apply, choose Home or Home and Lock if available, and then open the Google app to verify motion. If the background is static, make sure battery saver and animation reducing settings are off. Clear cache for both the Google app and the Wallpaper app, reboot and reapply. If problems persist, return to the Wallpaper app and re-export at a lower resolution for compatibility, and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.